Welcome to the video. This is Kai from Nova, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through creating a World Mobile Token Vault. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and delegating to our stake pool or our Earth nodes. Your support helps us create more quality content and grow the World Mobile and Cardano communities. The WMT Vault is a cryptographically secure account, safeguarded by a 24-word passphrase. It's where you can store credentials, manage your Cardano wallets with WMT and EarthNode NFTs, and track your staking rewards. Remember, it's different from a wallet. Losing access to your vault doesn't affect your control over your WMT tokens. On the official website, you can either create a new vault or import an existing one. I will also show you how to export and import your vault using a different browser later in this video. Creating a vault is straightforward and doesn't require KYC. It only takes just a few steps. Enter your email address. Choose a strong password for vault access. A password strength indicator will assist you. Write down your vault seed words in order and keep them safe. Losing them means losing access to your private vault. Confirm your seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to you. Once you've clicked the link, your vault is verified and ready to use. In your vault's dashboard, you'll find sections for staking, Earth nodes, and auctions. To stake your WMTs and earn rewards, you will have to link your Cardano wallets first. Remember, use only your own custodial wallet address, not an exchange address. If this is your first time using the wallet address in the vault, you'll need to prove ownership. The vault will display a small ADA amount for you to send from your wallet. To confirm ownership, send an internal transaction to the added address using the same wallet. After the transaction is processed, the vault will take some time to register your WMT stake. Congratulations! Following the next snapshot, which occurs every 9th day of the month, you'll start earning WMT rewards. Currently, you can't choose an Earth node operator for staking your WMT tokens, like delegating ADA to a Cardano stake pool operator. However, this feature is planned for future updates. After each snapshot, as long as your WMT stake hasn't decreased, you'll earn an annual 8% in WMT rewards before the mainnet launch. Later, you will be able to choose an Earth node operator for staking. We'd be grateful if you consider Nova for staking your WMT in the future. Note: WMT rewards aren't automatically distributed to your wallet. You need to claim them manually each month. They usually take a few days to distribute. Good to know, you don't have to claim them monthly. The rewards will compound over time, so you can choose to claim them later. In the Earth Nodes section, you can add an Earth Node NFT and claim additional rewards. These NFTs enable you to run one of the 1,000 Earth Nodes required by World Mobile for their network and blockchain activities. Currently, you can purchase Earth Node NFTs only on secondary markets like JPAC Store. The auction section displays the latest auctions where EarthNode NFTs were sold by World Mobile. Future auctions might offer the remaining NFTs, but there are none available at the moment. To export your vault to another browser, click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Download the JSON file, encrypted with your vault's password. You'll need this file to access your vault from a different browser without restoring it using the 24-word passphrase. To import your vault in a new browser, go to the official vault website. Click on Import Existing Vault. Choose your JSON file and open it with the password. Now you are ready to use your World Mobile Token Vault across different browsers. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about World Mobile and our Earth nodes. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.